Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today our topic is cooperative learning. In today's session we will cover three objectives. The participants or the listeners will inshallah be able to compare the three types of student interaction. They will be able to compare lecture method with cooperative learning. They will also be able to define cooperative learning. What do you see in this picture? Students are working alone, individually. Their achievement of goal does not depend on the achievement of others' goals. They are working individually. In this situation, in this picture, the team has to work together. Everybody's energies and their cooperation, their efforts is going to contribute towards the success, towards the achievement of the goal for the team. They have to work cooperatively. In this situation, each individual is competing against the other. The success of one is definite, and the rest of them will not achieve their target. So my achievement of the target depends on this fact that others should not achieve the target. Three ways to organize student interaction: competitive, individualistic, and cooperative. So these are the three ways the teachers can design student interaction. Their interaction can be competitive, individualistic, and cooperative. In competitive, students believe they will reach their goal if and only if other students do not reach the goal. In individualistic interaction, students believe that their own attempt to reach a goal is not related to other students' attempts to reach their goal. Students believe their goal is attainable only if other students will also reach the goal. So all of them should reach the goal together, cooperatively. Teachers need to make several decisions. The first is the emotional intelligence, the emotional climate of the class. The teachers have to set a climate that is conducive to learning. Emotionally, the students should feel secure and cared for. Then, they need to plan their lessons. They need to choose the SLOs or the objectives, and they used to find out what content will be the best for achieving that objective. They need to also make decisions as to what instructional strategies will be most suitable for the achievement of the objectives. Then they also need to consider how they will manage the class, what organizational structures will be used, how the human resources and the material resources will be organized and used to enable the learners to reach the target. And they also need to master instructional skills so that they are able to manage the instructional process effectively. And all these decisions affect the teacher as well as the student. These decisions affect the teaching of the teacher and the learning of the learner. So it is very important that all the decisions are made carefully so that the environment that is set is conducive to learning. Now, I would want you people to pause the video here and make a Venn diagram. Write the differences between the traditional lecture method or the direct instruction and the group work. And one form of group work is cooperative learning. Decide the elements around which you will compare them. So what will be the criteria to compare these two? For example, ease of planning, classroom control, rather I would say classroom management, personalization of learning. So activities in all aspects, and whatever aspects you can think of, compare the two. Now let's define cooperative learning. Cooperative learning belongs to the social family of instructional strategies. Cooperative learning is group work, but not all group work is cooperative learning. Cooperative learning consists of students working in groups small enough so that everyone can participate in a clearly assigned task. Salvin defines cooperative learning as students working together to help each other learn. Johnson and Johnson define it as students working together to accomplish shared goals. So they are all working towards the same target together cooperatively to complete the task, to achieve their goals. That's all for today. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.